Hello students, today I will be presenting a video for BBA students on the subject Business Environment for the first semester. The paper title Macro Factor Ecological Environment. In today's chapter, we shall discuss ecological environment, meaning of ecological environment and the factors of ecological environment. Ecological factors. Ecological environment plays an important role as it provides raw material and energy for production. Ecological environment consists of minerals, oil reserves, water, forest reserves, weather, climate condition, port facilities, etc. Ecological calamities like floods, droughts, earthquake immensely affect business activity. Here you should understand one thing is that natural environment is used in the broader sense. It consists of two things. One is ecological environment and geographical environment. Based on the place, some places are famous for something. Say for example, Nagpur is famous for orange, Rajasthan for marbles, KT, colored tea for tea, okay. Jaipur gems. Okay, so the industries are located in such places to take the advantages of those products. But here we are only discussing about ecological environment, but natural environment is used in the broader sense. Ecological factor affecting the business includes environmental policy, climate change, we call it as global warming, green agenda, pollution, availability of natural resources, recycling and waste management. Let us look into these factors one by one. Environmental policies. So, environmental policies or law implies business organization to change their operational procedures and equipment so as to meet those standards which can cost some great deal of money. See for example, some policies will be initiated by the government to the business. For example, if the company is using water and if there is water effluent, they have to clean the water and then they have to let it to the sea. Okay, so such measures should be taken and the factory should have high chimneys. So these are some guidelines that is issued by the government. Climate change, global warming. So increasing issue of global warming and adverse weather condition in the recent few years makes it difficult for the companies and organizations to operate equally in every type of weather conditions. Green agenda. So green agenda is nothing but it is a plan where enterprises manage their operation in such a way so there is minimum negative impact on the local or the global environment. ICICI Bank with e-statement saving thousands of trees every month. So they have e-statement, electronic statement. Okay, paperless work. Pollution. So pollution can also have an impact over business strategies. Pollution may cause some major environmental events which can result in the disruption of supply chain or an increase in the cost of raw material. Organization need to monitor such events and develop contingency plan so as to deal with them. A ban on PP bags provided an opportunity for non-PP bags manufacturers. So you know that plastic bags are spreading like a wildfire. Okay, so to control that, okay, which is having effect not only on the natural environment, even the animals also do eat the plastic and they die. For that purpose, a ban on plastic bag is done, and it has provided opportunity for the non-PP bag manufacturers. Availability of natural resources. Now, though natural resources are available, but there are lack of natural resources which can hinder the organization production ability and hence its output. But entrepreneurs are using elephant dung to prepare paper at Jaipur. So even though there is lack of natural resources, entrepreneurs are finding new ways to, to prepare the paper. So to prepare paper, they are using elephant dung. HUL, they developed detergent which does not require much water for washing clothes. So water is saved there. Recycling. Recycled materials not only result in making the production process cost effective but also helps the environment. Hence is using recycled ketchup bottles. So bottles are recycled and then it is used. Waste management or disposal. Business organizations shall produce less waste and use fewer resources, which will reduce their production cost along with making the corporation sustainable. Before this, let me give an example for this. So there is one rock garden in Chandigarh. It is entirely built with industrial waste, home waste and discarded items. Sculptures are made using bottles, glass bangles, tiles, ceramic pots, sinks and electrical waste. So rock garden is in Chandigarh, okay, where all the sculptures are developed by using waste material. To conclude, we can say that concerns regarding natural environment, geographical or ecological, have raised our level of environmental consciousness. Let's protect, preserve and maintain our environment.